In this video, we will be discussing about function calling. LLM uses function calling to perform a specific action. Basically, a function calling it's nothing but a tool that a LLM can leverage. So we have used function calling in our previous demos. For instance, when we created an agent that make a call to the weather API to get the weather information, it is a sample of a function calling. In this demo, we will be discussing about user-defined functions. So what is the difference? So the weather API was available to us as a REST endpoint, and because of which we were able to attach that using the OpenAPI specification. However, there are specific actions that not be available to us. So we have to define these kind of actions. For instance, you wanted to send an email with a specific information, right? So sending an email, it's a functionality that you wanted to have it. If it is not directly available to you, then you can define a function. It will work. It's like you will send a message to a LLM saying that I wanted to send an email to so and so with so and so information. So the LLM will understand your intent and it will know that it has a tool to send an email. So it will get to know what are the parameters that the tool needed in order to perform an action. So it will try to extract this information from the provided input and it will pass this information to the tool, and the tool will perform an action and it will respond back to the LLM saying that the action is completed. Show you how do we do it. I have a custom defined function that takes a certain number of a parameter. Purpose, all it does is to print this information, right? Then we create a project client and we have this function definition here, and we register that definition with our agent. Now we create a thread, we send a message saying that send an email to so and so with this subject with this particular body. And then like when we run this thread, we will get a response back. So if you see here, this is the response. So I just executed the function here. So now if you see here, it is saying that it is sending an email with subject body, and the run is completed, right? So basically like what happened is that as you provided the input, the LLM will understand that it needs to send an email, then it will make a call to this particular function to perform this action. Instead of sending an email, you may want to implement your business specific logic or flow specific logic. All you need to do is that define a function and let the LLM use it. That is the beauty of function calling. Thank you for watching.